Hello guys, here's the Bobby Sedo again from Ishtar.profill. I'm here to just introduce you brand new tool we just made for taking out the pistons. They are jammed inside the cartridge. Like this cartridge is for IP-5000. That's a pretty big cartridge, and the piston was stuck inside and customer couldn't remove it. So we had to design something for them to just be able to remove these kind of pistons when they are stocked easily. So this is the tools we designed for this issue. Very simple. So that's the thing. There, sometimes you need to use it if the bolt for this from inside is loose, and this comes out, so you can use that thing in the end of the rod you have here. So that thing here behind the piston is gonna push it out. But in this case, the bolt was there, so we removed that and we just sent the rod inside. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. So for this thing, you need your clamp and one of the gaskets for the piston for the cartridge you have, and this is the tool. So very simple and very handful for you guys. Just you need to put this straight go inside that the bolt you have ended there. So the tip of this rod, it goes exactly there, and then you need to put the gasket back and clamp it down. Right now I'm one-handed, so I can't do it, but later on I'm gonna add more pictures to the video so you can figure out. So as soon as you put the gasket here and put that washer back there and tie the clamp, then you can just grab one hand here and one hand with this handle and try to turn it and tie it, and you can see little by little the piston is coming out. So very handful tool, and if you need to order, just please call me or send me email. I can help you and give you more information on that. Thank you so much. Again, Bobby Soto from Ishtar.profill.